Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Michael Shu, and today I'm going to show all of you guys how to start your aviation training and how to start flying. Have you ever wanted to become a pilot but just thought there's no way I can be a pilot? I'm obviously not smart enough. I don't have perfect eyesight, because that's everything I thought about before I started my training. I thought I was just not good enough. I'm not smart enough to become a pilot. And let me tell you, all of that cannot be further from the truth. Look at me today. I am a pilot. And let me tell you, if I can do it, so can you. A lot of people will tell you once you decide to become a pilot, you have to decide what kind of pilot you want to be. You want to become an airline pilot or a cargo pilot, be a flight instructor, or just fly for fun. Those are things you will eventually have to decide, but today, for this video, I'm going to show you how to just start training and start flying to see whether you like it or not. And it starts with a phone call. What you have to do is very simple. All you have to do is go on Google Maps, search the closest flight school to you, call them, and make an appointment. You might be thinking, alright Michael, that is so easy to say, but actually doing it is so much harder. Well, lucky for you, I'm going to do it step by step with all of you guys and show you how simple it is to start flying. So, we will go on Google Maps right now and find a flight school and make an appointment to fly. Let me hit the start screen record. Before we find a flight school, if you guys are not subscribed, I'd really appreciate it if you guys went down, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the like button as well, and please leave a comment. I love reading comments. I respond to 100% of my comments. And if you guys are deciding to become a pilot, be sure to watch the end of this video to see how we make an appointment. I got my iPad here. All you have to do is pull up Google Maps, type in flight school, find the closest one to you, call them, and make an appointment. Here, let's go step by step, and let me show you how simple it is. Flight school, typed it in, boom. Alright, as soon as I typed in flight school, you have all these options. You have so many different options. There's a lot of different flight schools in my area. There might be a few in your area, but let's just see how many there are. There's Coast Flight Training, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 different flight schools in my area, and I just typed in flight school. We are not going to call Coast Flight Training because that's the flight school I did my training, and if I call them, you guys might think I'm training, so we're going to call a completely brand new flight school that I have no association with. Learn to Fly San Diego. And before you call them, be sure to ask for an intro flight or a discovery flight. That just means it's going to be your first flight, and sometimes they offer you a discount. So be sure to ask for an intro flight. See, Learn to Fly San Diego, 4.5 stars, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. every day, 8690 Aero Drive. Alright. The reviews are pretty good. We have one review that's 1 star, but let's go ahead and call them and see if I could book a flight. Call. Alright, it's ringing now. If you guys don't know what to say, just be honest, tell them your situation, and maybe they can help you figure it out. A lot of times the people that you're calling are really useful, and they will help you navigate to see what your needs are, what kind of training you need. But just tell them that you've reached Learn to Fly. Alright, Learn to Fly. They're not answering, so let's call a different flight school. But as I was saying, a lot of times you might not know what to say, but just be honest and tell them your situation. Like say, hey, I don't know how to fly, I'm really new to this, I was wondering if I could come in for a flight and see whether I like it or not. I'm gonna pretend I'm a brand new student, I'm gonna give them a call, so let's see what happens. San Diego Flight Training International, let's call them.
San Diego Flight Training, how can I help you?
Hi, this is San Diego Flight Training?
Yeah.
Yeah, my name is Michael, and I want to fly. I have no background in flying at all, but I'm really interested in flying. I was wondering, how can I start, I guess?
Great. Can I have it? Our admission is currently out of the office right now.
Yeah.
Can I get your name and phone number, please?
Yeah.
So I will have them contact you and give you more information.
Okay, well, I was wondering if I could, is there any way I could book like just an intro flight for maybe today or next week?
Yeah, how's your schedule look like?
My schedule's pretty open. Could I do it tomorrow, or is it only next week, or?
Probably not tomorrow. Tomorrow
Okay.
it's like open booked up.
No worries.
Actually, so if you are interested in intro flight, actually, can I put you on hold real quick and then I'll get back to you.
Okay.
Would that be okay?
Yeah.
And you said like tomorrow, like how about like tomorrow, like 8 in the morning?
Oh, 8 in the morning. Yeah, I can check my
Or is
schedule.
it like too early?
It's a little bit early, but
Because we can, yeah.
I was wondering how much is an intro flight?
Oh yeah, for intro flight, it's $300 flat rate for 1 hour ground and 1 hour flying.
1 hour ground. Oh, I was wondering if it's possible, could I just do a flight? Because, like I said, I'm just new. I want to see if I like it or not, if I'm in the air. I'm not sure if I'm scared. I'm just, if that's okay, just the flight portion.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, and that, like, are you, like, what's your schedule like next week or like maybe Sunday?
Yeah, my schedule next week is pretty open, but I just want to kind of understand like what the cost is just an intro flight. Would there be a discount since it's my first time flying, or?
Okay, yeah, about that I also have to confirm and get you the answers. So, let me just put you on hold real quick and then I'll get back to you.
Sounds good, thank you.
Alright, thank you. Hello?
Hi.
Hi, yeah, thanks for holding. I just checked and confirmed that the intro flight part is kind of the flat rate, so for $300. But if you want, you can we can schedule like appointment, so you can come into the school and like check our school first.
Yeah.
And then you decide if you want to like fly actual flying or like, because we can show you around first, and then you can decide if you want to fly or like take the next step.
Perfect. That's really helpful.
Does that sound good?
Yeah, I was wondering, can I just call you back? I'll look at my schedule and see when's a good time.
Yeah, of course.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you for calling.
Bye.
Bye.
Alright, see, so that is it, and that is so simple. All you have to do is go on Google Maps, search flight school, pick a flight school near you, and call them. And when I called them, like I said, you want to be sure to ask for an intro flight or discovery flight. Sometimes it would be cheaper since they know it's your first time flying. However, for this flight school in particular, they says a flat rate of ground and school. Maybe sometimes flight schools want to do that so that they could make you pay more money to get the ground and the flight. But then in those situations, make sure to ask that you just want the flight. You want to just see what flying is like because it's your first time and you don't know what it's like being in the air. So sometimes they might want to upcharge you. Sometimes you just have to say, no, I just want the flight. But if you guys are wanting to become a pilot and didn't know what the first steps to do is, all you have to do is go on Google Maps, search in flight school, find this closest one, call them, and make an appointment. You don't have to be super smart to become a pilot. You don't have to have perfect eyesight to become a pilot. You don't need family connections to become a pilot. You can be an average person that loves aviation. That's all you need, the passion and hard work. And like I said, honestly, if I can become a pilot, so can you. I was not great in school. I did not get good grades, but here I am loving aviation, chasing after my dream, and that's all you need. So if you really want to do it, you can make it happen. But that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys found it useful. If you guys liked it, be sure to hit the like button. Like I said, I love reading comments. So say whatever, say nice things, say not nice things, I don't care. Just write me something. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram as I'm doing a leather jacket giveaway right now. Be sure to follow me at MichaelHSU95, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!